Well, welcome everybody. This is Mason's new front door, exit 24.
I'll tell you, it's been a great story. We moved here 10 years ago, and actually we're celebrating our 10th anniversary here in Mason, moved up from Blue Ash, and it is one of the best things we did in the history of our company.
Every year, millions of guests come through our turnstiles. They drive these roads leading to Kings Island. And they're coming for one reason, and that is to create memories with their families and friends.
We've had so much success in the past, and we see this as kind of a linchpin to just a new level of success in the future.
The widening of Socialville Foster Road over 71 was one of the first projects in the immediate area that we did, followed by extension of Innovation Way, widening of Innovation Way, relocation of Columbia Road, widening of Duke Boulevard.
Mason is 20 square miles of land, but the land of unlimited opportunity.
Sitting there at one of those track meetings, I remember thinking, what is it that makes this place so special? And I think part of the heart of Mason is it's the can-do attitude. And I love being a part of organizations, groups, and entities that just figure out ways of getting things done.
And on behalf of Governor Mike DeWine and ODOT Director Jack Marchbanks, thank you for inviting me to this great celebration today. The $40 million Western Row Interchange project was a priority for ODOT for our infrastructure, not just because of improving the safety in this area, but also improving access to the economic hubs.
This project dates back to the 1960s, when Mason was just a small rural community, but there was vision even back then. And that vision was focused on a long-term strategy of planning and investment infrastructure for our future. This interchange took a lot of years of work and a very collaborative approach by some very dedicated people.
What a great day for all of Southwest Ohio. This is fantastic, right?